I'm going to be riding my dirt bike in first person, but the bad news is I don't have a GoPro, so I have to tape it to the light on my dirt bike, so hopefully it still works. I'll see y'all when I get it cranked up and ready to go. Peace. Sorry about the wind, guys. Alright guys, whew. Hopefully y'all have liked this video, and please subscribe if you haven't already. And well, that's all I gotta say. See y'all in the next one. Peace. Alright guys, I'm back. I just wanted to tell y'all that I might be making a part 2 to this, so stay tuned for that. Yeah. Tell me, say something in the comments what I should do on my other videos. I might do some gaming videos if I can figure out how to do that. Please tell me how to do that. And if any of y'all know, please leave in the comments. Please tell me how to do like a face cam on, like, I'm gonna probably do some gaming videos on my Xbox. So please tell me how to do that, like how to hook it all up and do a face cam and stuff on my gaming videos. So I'm not saying I will, like, I don't know 100%, I'm not 100% sure that I do that, so just leave in the comments, tell me how to hook it all up, and please subscribe and like this video, and stay tuned for part 2. So peace guys.